talked before about what happens when the board allows or the HOA allows residents to replace their own windows and they do it wrong. And then the third story damages the second story and the first story because water flows downhill. So the question verbatim is, if the HOA allows owners to replace windows, how would they know if they were done right and who is responsible for the walls? And here's an answer I got today from another attorney. The short answer is that if the HOA is currently responsible for the building envelope, it doesn't really matter what past owners did and how it impacted the envelope. So what are your thoughts on that?
I always thought it was risky, and I think it's risky to permit owners to replace windows because it does impact the building in so many ways that could be very negative, not just to that unit owner, but the owner maybe below.
Okay.
And cause more damage to the building envelope. So really the most effective way to control that is to require that, or just the board is, establish that is an issue that the association must address and to do the repair.
Right. Yep.
Because
Okay.
that's the ultimate protection. Yeah.